morning everyone, welcome to Sunday. Jake and Milo and Cody, they've all just having a good brush. Mummy brushed Jake and Milo. For some reason Cody's not keen on me brushing him. But doesn't Cody look, Jake look really handsome now and shiny. See that big pile there? Everything apart from the white is what I got out of Jake and Milo. And that is a lot just for two little doggies. Isn't it, Milo? Yeah. Jake, do you look handsome? Do you look handsome now all brushed? Because Jake and Milo now are a little longer than what I'd normally have them, and they're not getting cut till October, so it's important to keep them brushed and keep them nice and keep all the loose hairs off them. Now it's Cody's turn. Here you go, Codes. Cody, you can't have the hair. I just think Jake looks so handsome now. Is that it, Code, is it? Jake, you look so handsome! Codes! Jake looks like a real teddy bear now, don't you, mate? Hey? Jake and Milo absolutely love being brushed. Look how handsome Milo looks too. Milo, come here. Milo's too busy watching Cody get brushed. Oh, the sun's trying to come out, guys. That's good, isn't it? Yeah. What are you after, Milo? Get it. Get it. Come on, you can do it. Get it. Good boy. Get it. Good boy, Milo. Good lad. You having a brush? Cody's having a brush, have you, Codes? Yeah. And Lexi's having a brush because Lexi's come for a visit. Lexi, we need to see you back as well.
She's quite content on her back anyway.
Yeah, but you need to brush her back.
I know, I've done some of it. I just decided to roll on her belly. Come on, up you come. Oh, come on.
Up you get, Lex.
Hi.
You tell the Code.
Together. That's it, Jake. You join in.
Get up, Lexi.
Come on. Come on, lazy bones.
Yeah. Right, you can leave her alone now, stop. Wait, Code. He's emptying. Staying on her back. Good night to Lexi, Codes. So see you Tuesday.